everyone, my name is Pranika Derkar and today we discuss about the topic of nervous system. So nervous system is the central control of the body and it consists of the brain, peripheral nerve and the spinal cord, and function of the nervous system is to generate nerve impulse and detecting the changes in the body internally or externally and respond by the granular reaction and muscle contraction. Then we move towards the neuron is the basic unit of the nervous system. There are the three types of neuron: motor neuron, sensory neuron and interneuron. Motor neuron is sensory neuron. First we talk about the sensory neuron. Sensory neuron is the carry the nerve impulse from sensory organ to the brain, such as the nose, eye, skin, and motor neurons is carry the nerve impulse from the brain to the targeted organs such as the glands. And interneuron is connected with the both the neuron, sensory neuron and the motor neuron, and it generate the two type of nerve impulse at a one time. Then we talk about the basic component of the nervous system and their function. So firstly we talk about the brain. Brain is the located on the cranial cavity, which is inside the skull, and function of the brain is process information, receive and process sensory information, initiate response, memory, storage, thoughts, feeling and emotions, storing. And then brain is divided into the three types: midbrain, forebrain and hindbrain. So we first talk about the forebrain. Forebrain is the largest part of the brain, which contains the cerebellum, uh, dicephalon and hippocampus. So first one is the cerebrum. Cerebrum is the largest part of the brain, which have function to generate the ideas, intelligence, creativity, taste, and smell. These are the function of cerebrum. Then these are classified into the right hemisphere and left hemisphere, which is have the four lobes such as parietal lobe, frontal lobe, temporal lobe and occipital lobe. Then we next move towards the dicephalon, which contain the thalamus and hypothalamus. Thalamus, that is receive sensory information that to forward towards cerebrum, and hypothalamus, which is connected to the urinary endocrine system by the pituitary gland, and pituitary gland is the master gland and regulate the autonomous nervous system, which is sleeping and breathing. Then midbrain. Midbrain is the motor movement of uh, visual and visual and audio processing. Then we talk about the hindbrain. Hindbrain is divided into the three types, that is medulla oblongata, cerebellum and pons. So first one is the cerebellum. Cerebellum is the regulate or control sensory information, such as the um, such as a body balancing and equilibrium, and motor memory, such as the keyboard and typing. And then next is the pons, which can regulate or control the involuntary action, such as the sleeping. And hypothalamus have the function to control the involuntary action, which is life giving, such as respiration and circulation. Then we next talk about the spinal cord. Spinal cord is from the central nervous system, which is a tube like structure, and function have the important and main pathway of the information to the brain, and it is protected by the um, protected by the bones and other vertebral column. And then we talk about the nerve, which is from the peripheral nerve system. Peripheral nerve system have the um, have the cable like structure which is scattered throughout the body and generate the nerve impulse from the spinal cord, which is it is have the three nerves based classified based upon the functions such as the mixed nerve, nerve, motor nerve, and sensory nerve. And two different types of nerves such as the cranial nerve and spinal nerve. Cranial nerve is connected to the brain, and spinal nerve is connected to the um, spinal cord. So this is all about the topic of nervous system. So thank you.